G'day, Dino here. Got a new tyre, deflator and gauge kit from Mean Mother. We'll rip this open and see how it goes, see how easy it is to deflate this tyre. And it's got a separate attachment. You can swap this one over so you can run it either as a deflator or as a tyre gauge. So we'll crack it open and see how it goes. Unlike a normal deflator only, you get a few components in this kit. You get the instruction manual, you get a nice little carry bag, and that's going to come in really handy because you get these extra bits. We've got the fitting on there just to check the pressures. You got a little knob on the end there so you can deflate like this, but that's old school, we don't have to do that. So there you go, we got 35 psi in there or thereabouts. It's a pretty nice clear gauge, got a nice rubber surround. You can reset it with the button on the side there. Easy. Now swap this chuck, take that little bit off, swap that for the deflator component, which just goes on like that, and then this will now operate as per a normal deflator. So we'll screw that onto the valve stem. Pretty easy. And this bit, make sure that this bit's pushed in. Then you just take the valve out with this outer section. You can pretty much feel when you've done it enough, and you can see it pops out there. Now, that'll give you your pressure still. So let's see how quick this goes down to, what, say from 35 down to about 20. There you go, we're down to 20 psi. I'll screw the valve back in. This is a 235/80/16 tyre, so it's not huge. But you know, it's a bit of a skinny one, but it's got a nice high profile, which is good for bagging out when you want to drop pressures and drive off-road. And this is a bit stiff to take off, but it should loosen up with a bit of use. This is its first time use, so you'd expect that. And there you have it, straight back on. If you want to check your pressures again, you just obviously take that component off, swap it back for the normal chuck, and away you go. The Mean Mother tyre deflator and tyre gauge, 2 in 1. And because you get all these components, comes in a handy little carry case so you don't lose anything, which I haven't looked in yet. It's got a nice piece of polystyrene in there, which we'll chuck out. It's got a little section here for putting in your extra bit. It's got a strap in there, hold it all in place. You could do it a lot neater than that, I'm sure. That's pretty good. Bang, chuck that in your car. We're done. Pretty handy, 2 in 1.